एक ऐसे इंसान की दास्तां सुनेंगे जिसने अपनी पूरी जिंदगी अपने देश के लिए समर्पित कर दी। प्रेजेंटिंग यू अ मैन हु इंस्पायर्स जनरेशन, Dr. Abul Pakir Jainuladin Abdul Kalam, a visionary scientist, a beloved teacher, and a people's president, whose legacy continues to guide us. He was born on 15th October 1931 in the small town of Rameshwaram situated in Tamil Nadu. Coming from a poor background, he started working at an early age to supplement his family's income. He was just a simple man with a great fearful heart in his childhood. Despite the hardship, his determination to learn was unwavering. वो कहते थे, अगर सूरज की तरह चमकना है तो पहले सूरज की तरह जलना होगा. Studying under the dim light of street lamp, he proved that true passion knows no obstacle. Since his childhood, he wants to become a fighter pilot, but because of failing SSB interview, he can't. But instead, he served as a scientist to our nation. After graduating from Madras Institute of Technology, MIT Chennai in 1960, Kalam sir joined Aeronautical Development Establishment of Defense Organization DRDO as a scientist. He first started his career by designing a small helicopter for the Indian Army. Driven by dreams of exploring the cosmos, Sir joined ISRO in 1969 as a project director, where his first major project was SLV-3, which had failed in 1979. But a year later, he relaunched the SLV-3, which successfully landed. Today, these missiles protect the Indian borders. And in 1982, at DRDO, he played a vital role in developing India's missile technology by designing the missile Agni, earned him the title Missile Man of India. उन्होंने कहा था, आप अपना भविष्य नहीं बदल सकते, लेकिन अपनी आदतें जरूर बदल सकते हैं, और निश्चित रूप से आपकी आदतें आपका भविष्य बदल देंगी. And he proved it himself. Further, in 1998, he played a major role in Pokhran 2 nuclear test. These tests established India as a nuclear power and were a testament to Kalam's leadership. Between 1999 and 2002, Dr. Kalam served as the principal scientific advisor to the government of India, contributing to various technological advancements. He was instrumental in formatting the Technology Vision 2020, document aiming for India's transformation into a developed nation. उनका मानना था, हम सबको अपने अपने क्षेत्र में उत्कृष्टता प्राप्त करनी चाहिए ताकि देश को प्रगति की नई ऊंचाइयों तक पहुंचाया जा सके. Then in 2002, NDA elects Dr. Kalam as the President of India, bringing his scientific temperament and visionary ideas to the Rashtrapati Bhavan. Known as the People's President, he made a lasting impact on the youth. उन्होंने कहा है, सपने वो नहीं जो हमें सोते समय देखते हैं, सपने वो हैं जो हमें सोने नहीं देते. His interaction with students across the country were filled with encouragement and hope. Even after his tenure as a president, Dr. Kalam's mission remains the same, to ignite the young minds and transform the nation through education. He said, शिक्षा सबसे शक्तिशाली हथियार है, जिसका उपयोग आप दुनिया को बदलने के लिए कर सकते हैं. His vision was to see India as a developed nation by 2020, powered by creativity and innovation of its youth. Dr. Kalam received numerous awards and honors throughout his life. Some of the most prestigious includes the Bharat Ratna, that is India's highest civilian honor award in 1997. He also received the Padma Bhushan in 1981 and the Padma Vibhushan in 1990 for his contribution to science and engineering. He also got recognition at international level by receiving King's Charles II Medal and won Karman Wings Award. Dr. Kalam was also a prolific writer, sharing his vision and thoughts through numerous books. Some of his most famous works include his autobiography, that is Wings of Fire, Ignited Minds, India 2020, and The Luminous Sparks. Through his writing, he inspired countless individuals to dream big and work hard. And on 27 July 2015, while delivering a lecture at IIM Shillong, Dr. Kalam collapsed and passed away, leaving behind a legacy that transcends time. Even in his final moments, he was doing what he loved the most, inspiring the next generation. He was a shining example of what one can achieve with relentless effort and an unwavering vision. His journey from a small town to the highest office in India is nothing short of inspirations. As we reflect on his contributions, let us remember his word and strive to carry forward his dreams of a prosperous and innovative India. As he said,
learning gives creativity. Creativity leads to thinking. Thinking provides knowledge. Knowledge makes you great.